Hi, I'm John Holden. Welcome to Earth. Our next story takes us here to the central gold belt of Malaysia. You know, Malaysia exports over 2 metric tons of gold every year from over 10 mines, including this one, the Selinsing mine, one of the leading-edge gold-producing companies in Malaysia. But mining this precious metal comes with its environmental challenges, as you can imagine, which one company in particular is doing its part to overcome, as you're about to see. Gold is highly significant to Malaysian culture. It's considered a symbol of prosperity, good fortune, and social status. Gold heirlooms like these are often passed down through generations of families. Malaysians equate gold with the sun, which represents vitality and energy. And when it comes to its value, well, wouldn't we all love a little gold to weigh us down? And gold can be quite heavy. For instance, this gold bar is 440 ounces, about $1.2 million. But gold is also essential to numerous industries like electronics and aerospace, and it's used in construction, medicine, and chemical production. It's also a stable global currency base. Vancouver-based Monument Mining Limited operates the Selinsing mine in Malaysia, one of the top 2 gold-producing mines in the country. Its president and CEO, Kathy Zai, explained its importance.
The mining is the backbone of the industry. Selinsing Gold is a very critical gold-producing company in the Bahan States. That area is a mineral-rich in the Bahan States. Historically produced more than 2 million ounces of gold.
Monument Mining Limited developed the Selinsing gold mine in 2009. The current mine occupies an area of 2.2 square miles. As the pit is developed, we make a bigger footprint and we drill and blast, excavate and send the ore to the processing plant. The current processing plant produces a gold concentrate, which is sold to downstream buyers for eventual conversion to gold.
The Selinsing mine now processes almost 800,000 tons of ore a year. But despite the importance of gold to citizens, industry, and governments, its mining can present challenging environmental issues. The Selinsing mine was designed and built to minimize those impacts, which mine general manager Charlie Northfield says is a good example of what responsible gold mining can look like, thanks to the environmental programs they have underway. Environmental programs here at the mining site include slope and drainage maintenance, comprehensive erosion control, and revegetation, like the new saplings that you see planted here above the pit, so that future wildlife can thrive.
The revegetation helps restore the environment, it helps to return wildlife to the area and is also beneficial aesthetically as well.
Selinsing Mine also has programs in place that address many other environmental issues, including waste removal, air quality, energy savings, and clean water.
We continue to strive to ensure that there are no harmful discharges to the environment, both in water and in air. So we make use of the processed water, which is recycled within the plant. Power, of course, is always a big consumer, especially on the processing side. So we do our best to conserve as much power as we can by only operating equipment which is strictly necessary for the process. And one of these recommendations was to use solar power where possible to reduce our power consumption. This is the tailings storage facility behind me, which receives the processing waste from the processing plant. As the volume of the waste increases, we have to build up every few years to be able to store this waste safely and to keep it from spilling out anywhere to the environment.
Now that means daily water sampling of the mine spillway and local streams to check for contamination. Only treated water is discharged into the environment to prevent chemicals from leaching into the water. Now that includes regular testing of even this fish pond for water quality.
Here at Selinsing, we sample 7 separate locations on a daily basis to check for any contamination from the mining activities. You can see behind me that we're sampling pond discharge, which receives the final discharge from the water treatment plant on the mine. The final goal is to ensure that there is absolutely no contamination of any water sources within this area and to ensure that no contamination whatsoever.
You know, despite the importance of gold to industry and governments, its mining can present challenging environmental issues. The Selinsing mine was designed and built to minimize those impacts for the future, so that we all can enjoy our future of being able to enjoy precious metals like this good earth can provide. I'm John Holden. Thanks for watching.